Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how I'm going to turn this shirt dress into a cropped shirt, and the first step is going to be marking around where I want to cut it out, and I'm going to cut it out around my waist, so I'm going to mark that. And guys, this is a super easy project. You're going to be done in about 15 minutes and it's very beginner friendly. And then the next step is going to be taking a straight ruler, and I'm going to draw a straight line on those marks. Next step, I'm going to be taking my scissors and I'm going to be cutting along that line. After cutting, I'm going to be taking the bottom half and I'm going to set it aside, and I'm going to be using this for another project next time. And now for the last step is going to be hemming off the crop shirt, and I'm going to do that by folding over half an inch twice, and then I'm going to sew. And as you can see guys, it's a super easy project and this is quite beginner friendly, so go ahead and try this. And you don't have to use a shirt dress, you can use a normal shirt as well. So here is a crop shirt. This is how it turned out, and I paired it with this maxi denim skirt that I made, and I also paired it with the mini skirt as well. If you want to know how I made these two skirts, then I'm going to link a video on the description box, so go ahead and click on that. Anyway, thank you so much guys for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye and God bless.